Okay, this is the first try out. We put the fire in. There. You can see through the hole, through the little hole coming out. But it's working. And the pump. And we opened the windows because it was fuming a little bit. There's still a little bit of smoke. We weren't sure if the chimney is holding because it's outside. It's very windy. Let's see if this is gonna go away, and I'll show you the chimney. It's a little bit of a mess again, but what else is new? And Mr. Janko.
Jesi snimila?
Jesam.
Snimi tamo
Sad ću
kako
i
Snimi i oča
dimnjak,
kako
da.
ti- Snimi i oča
Jest.
kako ti radi.
Evo, Mr. Janko namešta drugi deo. Gore. Idem odžak.
I ono da kupi tomu žitu za oženje.
Aha. Today is very crazy weather. Ali evo, let's see. I don't know if you can see the chimney, but it's a little bit of smoke coming out. Really bad weather. There. Again.